Right here. All right, so I have an Android phone right here. Trying to power it on, excuse me. Trying to power the phone on, nothing, right? So what I'm gonna do, hold on one second, I'm trying to do this with one hand. I'm gonna plug it in. And I'm gonna try to charge it. Hold on one second, this is hard with one hand. Okay, there we go. Plugged it up. Nothing, right? So, nothing. So now, I got the little short cord, right? Plugging it up. So, as soon as I plugged it, lit up. So, we're gonna leave this cord on there. And what's gonna happen is, because the cord is shorter, it's giving it more power with the long cord. I left it on the long cord plugged up for a day, never came on. So right now we have it on here for a few seconds. As soon as I plugged it up, it lit up. So I'm gonna show you guys the results. So we're gonna, as soon as the phone comes on, I'll have the video back for you guys. Okay, so as you can see, the phone came on. It says it's at 1% right now. Let me see if I can make it come back on for you guys so you can see it's charging now. Let's see, there we go. So this is what the short cord does. It gives it power. So as you see, it's at 1%. So I'm gonna leave it on here. And once you see, now that it's charging, give it about 30 minutes to an hour. I can turn my phone back on. And that's how you get a phone that won't turn on to come back on. And there it goes. So with the short cord, the phone was on within 15 minutes. Powering up right now. I had it on the regular 3-foot cord. I had it on this one for a whole day and I got no charge. So with this cord, it's on 15%. It's upside down so you can't see it, but it's on 15% with this cord. So I'm gonna let it charge up a little bit more with that cord. Then I'm gonna switch it to the other cord. It'll take the charge now. But it wouldn't take it before. Now I can get my old numbers out, or I can use the phone. The thing with this though, you just can't ever let the phone die. If you let it die again, it will go to it'll do the same thing. But as long as you leave it charged, it will work. So, yep, as you can see, I'm at 15% on this one, and it would not come on at all. So, that's how you get a phone that won't come on to power up. This is Black Megatron. I'm out.